Welcome back to an episode of Willis Talk. This is a very special episode. It's jamming together several different vehicles all in one because they're all of the same kind of classifications, roughly, more or less. Each one will be notified as you see it, but they are all going to be in this one episode. This is Rusty, Trustee Rusty to be precise, 1969. That's what's on the back end. The vehicle itself, that's being pack mule, is a 1969 Chevy NASA ramp truck. It is called. Oh, and look, they trust less swap just like I do. Well, at least for batteries and tires, I do. Let's check out the inside and move on down. And Devin Tell has been a worker, and it's been a pleasure. And this is Trustee Rusty. I don't see no rust on it, except for the paint job. It does kind of look rusty. And look, it's looking at you. A632. I wonder if that's like A1 sauce. Only better because it's a higher number. And check out the parachute. Oh, we're gonna move over here to a real interesting driver. I don't know where he got his driver's license, but it must have been out of a Viking Cracker Jack box. Because he's got a Viking hat on at least. But this here beauty is a 1927 Roadster. It's kind of got mixed in here with, well, you'll see. And the reason why is because it is a horror. It's really going to rip down the road fast. And it's even got... Yep, that's why it's here. And why it's on this hit parade. DR 6133. Lewis and Shrubbery. Is that right? Shrubbery. Maybe I'm misspelling. Shrewsbury. SHREWSBURY. Don't scold me. It's been a long day. Long, hard day. Let's move our head to one other that's popping the question. It's a pretty little thing. It's 2024. Woo, yeah. Yamaha Banshee. I wonder if it squeals like a banshee too. I bet that's got some good speed under it. Let's move on down the road to this puppy. I'd say this one's called up here. And who knows it? No, nothing. It's here, but there's nothing that says anything about it. Perhaps this gent over here happens to know more about this vehicle than a sign does. Beauty, ain't it? Oh, look at here. This one. This one.
We're waiting to get that part put together. Yeah.
2015.
Probably run
Check that statue out. Nice. Salute with respect. Now we're going to pop over here to two little minis. And I mean minis. Check it out. See that one over there? Yeah, half the size about. And as you can see, about half the size of the engine. Maybe a quarter. And here's another one. The first one that I showed you is a 2005. And this one is follow-up year, 2006. I like the paint job. It's very interesting. And then we have this group. Look at that paint job, though. You would think erase, but look at that. Every color you can think of in that sucker. And it is a 1970 Plymouth. That is an octane machine. So bad it's got to have two big boys on the back end. Now, there's one more in this lineup of videos. Right here. No sign, but this is one of the, here we go, right up here. It's a 2001. Wow, now that's a nice dome.
The door. The tire view, so you can walk through. Well, then I had it on the ground. Yeah, I did that. Yeah. Money card? No, on a car for work. I did that quite often.
And this is kind of like the view that you would see if you were sitting in there. And then it's over. Until the next exciting episode, stay tuned for more Willis Talk.